Amanda Mutiara Kinji. My nickname Amanda.
My name is Ibnu Zaid Mubarak. My nickname Ibnu.
My name is Rodatu Nadia. My nickname Dia.
My name is Sylviana Anggraini. My nickname is Vivi.
My name is Riwisma Indah. My nickname Indah.
My name is Wiwi Indrianti. My nickname Wiwi.
It's in the tortoise.
Kelinci dan kura-kura.
On sunny day in a wet green meadow, there lived a rabbit who was famous for running very fast. He was very proud of his speed. Every day, the rabbit got to run here and there and often mocked other animals that were not as fast as he was. On morning, the rabbit saw a tortoise walking by the riverbank. He laughed loudly.
Suatu hari yang cerah di padang rumput yang luas, hiduplah seekor kelinci yang terkenal cepat berlari. Ia sangat bangga dengan kecepatan kakinya. Setiap hari, kelinci suka berlari ke sana kemari dan sering mengejek hewan lain yang tidak secepat dirinya. Suatu pagi, kelinci melihat kura-kura sedang berjalan di tepi sungai. Ia pun tertawa terbahak-bahak.
Haha, why are you walking so slowly? Even if waited for you from morning till evening, you still never get up.
Hahaha, kura-kura, kenapa kau berjalan selambat itu? Kalau aku menunggumu dari pagi sampai sore, kau tetap belum sampai.
The tortoise looked at the rabbit calmly.
Kura-kura menatap kelinci dengan tenang.
I can run as fast as you rabbit, but I'll always keep walking without stopping.
Memang aku tidak bisa berlari secepatmu kelinci, tapi aku selalu berjalan tanpa berhenti.
The rabbit laughed over louder.
Kelinci makin tertawa keras.
Hahaha, in that case, how about that? Why was you kill the fastest animal in the forest?
Kalau begitu, bagaimana kalau kita adu cepat? Siapa yang menang akan disebut hewan tercepat di hutan ini.
The tortoise floated for a moment in the reply.
Kura-kura berpikir sejenak, lalu menjawab.
Hey, I don't mean, but don't regret it if the result aren't what you expected.
Baiklah, aku tidak keberatan, tapi jangan menyesal kalau hasilnya tidak seperti yang kau kira.
The race began.
Perlombaan pun dimulai.
The next day, all the animals in the forest gathered to watch the race.
Keesokan harinya, semua hewan di hutan berkumpul untuk menonton perlombaan itu.
The sparrow was chosen to be the referee.
Burung pipit dipilih menjadi wasit lomba.
Sparrow raised his wing and shouted.
Burung pipit mengangkat sayapnya dan berteriak.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Siap, 1, 2, 3, mulai!
If I rest here for a bit,
Wah, pohon ini sejuk sekali. Aku sudah jauh di depan. Jadi, tak apa kalau aku istirahat sebentar di bawah pohon ini. Pohon pun berkata,
The rabbit began slow down the overturned ceiling. The rest is over it and tortoise is still fighting.
"Hai kelinci, hati-hati, jangan terlalu percaya diri. Perlombaan belum selesai dan kura-kura masih berjuang."
The rabbit laughed arrogantly.
Kelinci tertawa meremehkan kura-kura.
don't worry, Tree. That tortoise is way too slow. I still win even if I take a nap.
Hahaha, tenang saja pohon. Kura-kura itu sangat lambat. Aku pasti menang meskipun tidur sebentar.
Then the rabbit fell asleep under the shade of the tree. He fell asleep while dreaming about his victory. The wind blew gently, making the atmosphere even more comfortable.
Kelinci pun tertidur di bawah naungan pohon. Ia tertidur pula sambil bermimpi tentang kemenangannya. Angin bertiup lembut membuat suasana semakin nyaman.
the tree said.
Pohon menghela nafas.
Something those who are overconfident become complex. They would hopefully realize it before it's too late.
Kadang yang terlalu yakin malah terlena, tapi semoga ia sadar sebelum terlambat.
Suddenly, the tortoise kept walking slowly but fiercely. Sweat dripped down his forehead, but he kept moving forward.
Sementara itu, kura-kura terus melangkah pelan tapi pasti. Keringat menetes dari dahinya, tapi ia tetap maju.
A little bit more can it.
Sedikit lagi, aku pasti bisa. He whispered softly. Gumamnya pelan.
Long after the tortoise saw the rabbit still sleeping under the tree, he greeted the tree coldly.
Tak lama kemudian, kura-kura melihat keberadaan kelinci yang masih tertidur pulas di bawah pohon. Lalu, ia menyapa pohon untuk meminta izin lewat di depannya.
Hello, tree. Wouldn't like to pass by a firm moment. I have kept working to reach the finish line.
Halo pohon, aku ingin lewat sebentar. Aku harus terus berjalan agar bisa sampai ke garis akhir.
The tree replied enthusiastically.
Pohon memberi izin dengan sangat semangat.
So, goodbye. I admire perseverance and even enough out is tiring and you don't give up, keep going.
Tentu, kura-kura, aku kagum dengan ketekunanmu. Meskipun panas dan melelahkan, kamu tidak berhenti. Teruslah melangkah.
The tortoise smiled and said,
Kura-kura tersenyum lalu berkata lagi.
Tree, I realize that what matters is not how fast or slow we are, but how we keep trying until the end.
Terima kasih pohon, aku percaya yang penting bukan cepat atau lambat, tapi tetap berusaha sampai akhir.
Time passed and the sun began to set. All the animals shouted as they saw the tortoise getting closer to the finish line.
Waktu pun berlalu, matahari hampir tenggelam. Semua hewan mulai bersorak melihat kura-kura semakin dekat dengan garis akhir.
Suddenly, the rabbit woke up. He was shocked to see the tortoise far ahead.
Tiba-tiba, kelinci terbangun. Ia terkejut melihat kura-kura sudah jauh di depan.
No, I have to catch up right now.
Tidak, aku harus mengejarnya sekarang juga.
Rabbit ran as fast as he could, jumping over rocks and bushes, but it was too late.
Kelinci berlari secepat mungkin, melompati bebatuan dan semak-semak, tapi semua sudah terlambat.
Just as the rabbit was about to reach the land, the tortoise caught in breath.
Tepat ketika kelinci hampir sampai, kura-kura berhasil menyentuh garis akhir lebih dulu. Burung pun bersorak gembira.
Hooray! The tortoise wins. Long life the tortoise who never give up.
Hore, kura-kura menang. Hidup kura-kura yang pantang menyerah.
The tree smiled winsome.
Pohon tersenyum bijak.
Will his love, passion, and perseverance overcome arrogance?
Nah, inilah buktinya. Kesabaran dan ketekunan bisa mengalahkan kesombongan.
The rabbit felt sorry for his action.
Kelinci menyesal atas perbuatannya.
I was too proud and lazy. Thank you for warning me, even though I didn't listen.
Pohon, kau benar. Aku terlalu sombong dan malas. Terima kasih sudah mengingatkanku meskipun aku tidak mendengarkan.
The tree gently gives advice.
Pohon pun memberi sedikit nasihat dengan lembut.
Rabbit, the immortal thing is that you learn from mistake. Nature always teacher valuable lesson to those who are willing to listen.
Tak, tidak apa kelinci, yang penting kamu belajar dari kesalahanmu. Alam selalu mengajarkan pelajaran berharga bagi yang mau mendengarkan.
The rabbit bowed his head in shame. He approached the tortoise and said,
Kelinci menunduk malu. Ia menghampiri kura-kura dan berkata,
Tortoise, I'm sorry, I was arrogant and underestimated you.
Kura-kura, maafkan aku. Aku terlalu sombong dan meremehkanmu.
The tortoise smiled kindly.
Kura-kura tersenyum ramah.
It's okay, Rabbit. I also learned something today that effort and passion are more important. Speed.
Tak apa kelinci, aku juga belajar suatu hari bahwa usaha dan semangat lebih penting dari kecepatan.
Since that day, the rabbit was never arrogant again, and they became good friends with the tortoise. They often practiced together, encouraged each other in words practice by all the animals in the forest.
Sejak hari itu, kelinci tidak pernah sombong lagi dan ia menjadi sahabat baik kura-kura. Mereka sering berlatih bersama, saling menyemangati dan dihormati oleh semua hewan di hutan.
Forest beggars never understood them, other just because they seem slower or weaker. Percy, Berrets, Massachusetts, and Hartford came with arrogance and speed with real effort.
Pesan moral, jangan meremehkan orang lain hanya karena mereka terlihat lebih lambat atau lebih lemah. Kegigihan, kesabaran, dan kerja keras bisa mengalahkan kesombongan dan kecepatan tanpa usaha.